Triceratops, one of the biggest in North America. They can be 26 feet long. The huge frills on their heads are used for protection when they fight. But plants have defenses too. Poisonous toxins. These are particularly dangerous for youngsters. This calf weighs only a 50th of the weight of his mother. And the plant's toxins could make him very sick indeed. But Triceratops have a way of dealing with such poisons. They use an antidote. One source of it lies in a cave to which they pay regular visits. This youngster, however, has never been in here before.